Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to insert audio to PowerPoint. Adding audio to your presentations can be a great way to enhance your message and engage your audience. So let's get started. Here I already open a PowerPoint and you can see this is the PowerPoint and included with the 15 slide. Here I'm going to add audio in the PowerPoint or the any slide in here. So it's very easy steps, just you can remember the few steps. So what I'm gonna do here, you can see like if I want to use in the second slide the audio, so what I'm gonna do, go to the insert, and the insert you can see there's a few groups like images, attends, link, comment, text and symbol and media. In the media groups you can see there is the audio. So when I hit in the media, insert audio from your computer or a variety of online source. You can also record audio with your microphone. So when I hit on the audio, now it's come up two options, like it's called the audio on my PC. So insert audio from your computer or from other computers that you are connected to, or you can just record audio for your slides. So for now I'm going to use the audio on my PC. When I click on the audio on PC, so you can see here are already some audio. So if I select one of from them, like if I use like this audio and hit on the insert, now you can see this is the audio, and when I play it, now you can hear the sound, the audio. Okay, for now I'm just pause it, and what I'm gonna do, you can also increase or decrease the volume. Here the mute or unmute you can do, and you can just use the one and it will come up with your increase or decrease the volume. So for now I'm now check into the corner here. In the corner, let's see how it will be show up into our presentation with the preview. So when I hit on the preview, let's see. Yeah, you can see now only the symbol is here. So when I click on there, so now you can hear the sound. Okay, for now I'll just pause it and go back to again to the slide. Okay, this is only for the slide 2, but you can also use for the another slide. Just click on the slide and you can use from the insert and from the media and audio, select from there and use to your slide. And then next, what can you do, you can use this audio the rest of slides. So how can you do that? Just click on that, and here already in the ribbon bar there are also another tab, it's called the playback. When I click on the playback, there's the few options. So how do you want to use your audio? Just here you can few options in the audio option. Here it's called, when I click on here, it's called the in click sequence automatically, and when clicked on. So it's depend on how do you want to use. And if I say the automatically, it will come up with the slide. Let's see when I click on the automatically and use the preview. Now it started with the music. Okay, so this is the easy way. Just hit on the automatically and come up in your slide, play the audio clips automatically or when clicked. Okay, then next here in the left side you can also change the volume of the audio clips. Just whatever I shown you in the clips in here, just you can use from here or you can use from the volume. The next one, there's also the play across slides. So when I hit on the play across sound, so it's mean after the slide number 2 it will go through until the 13 or the end of the slide. Just click on there, let's see how it will come. Just go back again the slide 2 and play audio across the slide, then go to the slide show and let's see it's come up. The next slide is going on the sound, the slide 5, slide 6. Okay, so it's across to the all slide. Then click over the audio and go back to playback. Then next one, loop until stop. So it's mean repeat the audio or video clips until it stops. So you can just click on there and use. Let's see how it will come up when I hit on there. Yeah, okay, go back again, click on there, just click on there, so it will come up again. But here You can see this is the kind of the long music, so you can use for the short music, like if it is the 3 seconds or 5 seconds, just it will loop up again, a loop until stop. And just so how can you do that, like go to the trim audio, trim the audio clips by specifying the start and end, click on that, and here you can see this is the duration 2 minutes 1 seconds. In here just you can use, like if I trim it here, like the just few seconds here, like only 2 seconds, like start time and the end time, and you can just test it here, just 2 seconds, and hit on the here. Then let's see how it will come. Play on the slide preview, then again it repeated the audio. Okay, for now I just cancel it. Then next one is hide during the show. So you can now see that when I use the slide, you can see this slide is visual to us, but when I click on that, so it hide the audio clips icon during the slideshow. Let's see when I hit on here and use the slide preview. Let's see, it's not in there here. Okay, so it's mean hide during the show. Okay, then there is a rewind after playing. It's mean rewind the audio or video clips after it is done playing, or rewind after playing. Okay, then so you can just easily add, and there is options like what can you do, the play in background. So set audio clips to continuously play across your slide into your background. So it's now automatically selected, but when I click on here, just it say it's mean no audio in background. Okay, now how it will come. Now it doesn't come any sound, and when I click over the clip, so it's come up like this. Okay, and when I click in the no style, so and then it's come up another message. So it's mean here the in click sequence. Yeah, so it's very easy way, just you can use and you can add in your slide for your presentation. Like you can just preview media, preview the audio or video clips with all of the formatting change your made. Like if I say like this, so it will come up like this. Okay, for now it's only the for slide 2, but you can use for the slide 3 another audio. Just go to insert and the audio, and audio on my PC, click on that, and you can choose the on up from them. You can now see that this is the audio, because this length is too big, so just trim it, and you can use the like whatever you want for your presentation. Just select from here and use for your presentation. Like you can test it like this and hit on the okay. Then just you can now see this is the slide 2 is the different audio, and then slide 3 is the different audio. Let's see how it will come. Let's play with, click on that here. Then next one, when I hit on here, you can see this is the different audio to your slide 3. So you can just edit it, and there is the another option. Just go to the insert again and audio and the record. You can just record the audio, and so if you want to write the title, just you can title here, and you can give the title here, and just use the play for your record. Just hit on the here and hit on the okay, then it will come up the sound. Okay, and that is now you can know how to insert audio to PowerPoint. By adding audio to your presentation, you can create a more engaging and dynamic experience for your audience. We hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.